Hi, I'm Yulia, and I believe the spaces we live in should make us feel alive. A wild home is inspired by nature. Mother Nature has this amazing ability to balance things, and I admire that and try to bring it into my home. I am a life coach and a certified health coach turned a natural builder. I learned how to use power tools and I built out my own Sprinter van, but I also have done a lot of house improvements myself. The truth is, I wanted to create a home that's as wild as nature and also wild as my imagination. I'm a big dreamer. You'll see a mix of projects for conventional home as well as RV or van, but also I'll share some tips on how to make your travel healthier if you're staying in a hotel or Airbnb. For each project, I'll share with you the level of effort it takes, amount of time, approximate cost. I travel a lot in my van and also internationally, but every time I come back home, I do something grounding and nourishing, a project that makes me feel really good. My friends call my home a sanctuary, and it truly feels like it. I created the space where I feel creative, healthy, and peaceful. After years of dealing with challenges with my gut and skin issues, I realized that physical environment has a lot to do with it. And it's not only affecting our physical health, it's also affecting mental and emotional health and spiritual well-being. So I am here to share with you what I've learned and also some of the improvements that I've made in my home and how I built my home as well. Now I only wear natural fibers and my home is practically plastic free. I also use natural fabrics as well and try to avoid toxins as much as possible. So I want to bring this information to you, especially if you have children or pets, so that you can make your home healthier. I don't strive for perfection, but I really am hopeful to create an environment indoor that feels like the beautiful healing space outdoors in nature. Thank you so much for watching and welcome to A Wild Home. I'm so excited you're here.